The work orders module of mainsim is the operational arm of the system, essential for the efficiency and effectiveness of daily operations. This module facilitates the creation, management, and tracking of work orders, allowing for rapid and organized field intervention. Thanks to an intuitive interface, it is possible to set work orders based on specific requests, planned events, or emerging needs, thus ensuring proactive and reactive maintenance. The module integrates perfectly with the system, allowing access to all asset information linked to work orders. For example, a maintenance technician can receive a work order directly on their mobile device, with all the necessary details to carry out the intervention, from the problem description, to technical manuals, to the necessary spare parts, to the safety procedures to follow. Let's look at a practical case. Consider the role of a supervisor who must monitor and manage ongoing activities at a building managed with mainsim. Every work order is identified by its ID and category. Mainsim is a process orchestrator, particularly for maintenance processes. As such, it natively assists in the management of reactive and proactive maintenance. Here we have examples of corrective maintenance which are represented by a lightning bolt icon, time-based periodic maintenance characterized by a clock, condition-based maintenance marked by a gauge, and so on. We will explore these individual maintenance strategies and their modules in specific videos. In addition to the ID and category elements, each work order is characterized by a phase of its execution process. This is because mainsim is a powerful orchestrator, and it is possible to organize events according to precise processes. Here we specifically see phases like opening, execution, waiting, and so on. Let's return to our supervisor, a facility management manager of a prestigious office building. Through filters and selections, they can monitor everything that happens, manage it, distribute tasks, and approve actions. Moreover, from the work order, they can directly access the technical specifications of the system, the latest maintenance activities performed, and even the history of past malfunctions, thus optimizing the intervention times of collaborators or suppliers. Now let's try to step into the shoes of a maintenance manager of a production plant, a foundry. They too will have to manage and plan work activities. The module indeed allows for advanced resource management, assigning work orders to technicians based on skills, availability, or geographic location. The planning of activities is flexible and adapts to operational needs, with the possibility of finding and assigning resources in real time. Performance analysis is another key aspect of the work orders module. Thanks to the collection of detailed data on each intervention, it is possible to carry out in-depth analyses on the efficiency of processes, the frequency of interventions, the causes of failure and the solutions adopted, and the maintenance costs, providing valuable insights for the optimization of operations. In conclusion, the work orders module of mainsim not only improves the daily management of maintenance activities, but also provides a solid foundation for long-term strategy and planning, ensuring that the organization operates at its full potential with minimal waste of resources. How can mainsim enhance the efficiency of your organization through optimized asset and maintenance management? Stay tuned for the next video on indicators, reports, and data analysis that mainsim offers to discover how far you can go.